So now you know their tickets?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yep.
Are, are we going to dress fancy or are we going to go regular?
Regular.
Regular?
Yeah.
Are you excited to go on the
Yeah,
train?
I want to meet him.
Well, I don't know if I could do all that. We'll try.
So my friend got you need backstage patches, and my friend, my dad's friend her daughter got a kiss on the cheek.
I don't know if we can get all that, but hey, we're going. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Good.
It says it's the Believe tour.
Yes, it is. It's at 7 o'clock Wednesday, so today's Monday. So what time is it? This time, not tomorrow, but this time next Wednesday, he's going to be singing on stage. Or this Wednesday. In 2 days, he's going to be singing.